It's a make or break day for former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha, as her bail and stay application are likely to come up for hearing before the vacation bench of the Karnataka High Court. According to AIADMK sources, noted criminal lawyer Ram Jethmalani will argue the case seeking suspension of the 4-year jail sentence and bail for the former Chief Minister. Jayalalitha moved the High Court on Monday, challenging her conviction in the disproportionate assets case, which cost her the Chief Minister's job and disqualified her from being an MLA. The revision plea includes 2 interim petitions, including one against confiscating properties seized in 1997 from Jayalalitha's residence in Chennai by the Enforcement Directorate. Unless the conviction is suspended immediately and later overturned by the Superior Courts, Jayalalitha faces a bleak political future as she cannot contest elections for 10 years. In her petition, she has maintained that the charges of amassing wealth against her were false and that she had earned money by acting in films and bought property through legal means. Jayalalitha has contended that the trial court has overlooked several judgments and has not considered the binding nature of various income tax orders and decisions of the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. Jayalalitha also denied allegations that she has any share in Jaya Publications and was in no way connected with it. Let's get a word from our team of reporters tracking this big story for us. Pratibha is joining us live from outside the High Court. Also with us, Sresha Reddy, who's covering a protest by Tamil stars. I'm going to come to you first, Pratibha. This is a crucial hearing for Jayalalitha. Her political career actually depends on it.
Absolutely, because one of those prayers in the petition is a stay on conviction. That is where the lawyers are challenging the order that has been passed on by the special court, and that would be a do or die situation for Jayalalitha, and as far as her political career is concerned, because a stay on conviction would mean that even the disqualification would stand cancelled. So that is what the lawyers are really fighting for. But then the main one would today would be the suspension of sentence, which means that it works like an interim bail, where Jayalalitha, the first step would be to come out of the prison, and that is what the lawyers are working on today. Considering it is a vacation bench and considering the court is on a holiday, there are a lot of speculation in terms of whether the arguments would be presented today or not. But then it is going to be a very crucial week as far as Jayalalitha's bail as well as her political career is concerned.
Absolutely, and Sresha, the Tamil film industry coming out in solidarity with Jayalalitha, of course, who's been a movie star herself.
Well, exactly, Seema. That is one of the reasons that why a lot of artists from the film fraternity, including the SIR artists, have come together. If I can ask my camera person to pan in and show you, there are a lot of artists who have gathered here, including prominent faces from the Tamil film industry and also associations from unions. People have come together, and we do know Jayalalitha started her career in Tamil film industry, and that is one of the reasons that why they have come together to show their support for Jayalalitha. And I have with me Mr. KR. He is the president of the Tamil Nadu Film Producers Council. So you have gathered here. So what are you expressing?
So we have gathered here not to protest against any verdict. This is only to support our senior most artist. She is an artist for the past 48 years, I think, even more than that. And after that only she has become Chief Minister. Nearly 3 times she has become, and this is almost completing her tenure also now. Now the situation is, this is something which is unexpected, shock and surprising news, spread all over the world actually. We feel that every family, we feel that we are own sister. If something happens to our own sister, what will be the sentiment and feelings at every house is having the same feeling. So right. Being a film industry, now we have gathered here almost almost each and every sector has joined together.
So as he's clearly pointing out that this is a sentiment of the Tamil film industry, that they are supporting Jayalalitha and they are standing by her at this very juncture. Back to you, Simi.
Well, the film industry definitely making all the right noises. Pratibha and Sresha, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for developments on the ground. That's all we could pack into this edition of First Up. Do stay tuned for more updates.